Hey there, it's Rebecca with WTI. And if you're looking for a perfume that is elegant and classy, then let me put you on the Coach Eau de Parfum. First of all, what I love about this perfume is the bottle itself. It's so pretty and timeless. It just gives that clean, luxury vibe on your dresser, vanity, wherever you put it. When I smell this perfume, I think of clean hair, a nice outfit, and confidence all in one. Also, I find that sometimes I can be very sensitive when I smell. So, what I love about this perfume is that it's very crowd pleasing. It's a safe choice when you don't want something too bold or risky. I usually wear it during the day, and I find that it transitions perfectly into the evening without needing to reapply it constantly. I really like wearing this perfume for events like dinners, gatherings, weddings, special occasions, because it wears so beautifully without being too loud. With this perfume, a little goes a long way, which makes the bottle last longer too. If you're like me and you're obsessed with smelling good, then this Coach perfume is a really good option, and that's my point of view.